Hello everyone. Yeah, uh, actually it is in the morning, so yeah. Uh, I'm making this video early because I'm pretty bored. I already do some programming class, which is in free code camp. Yeah, currently in. I think it's already reached the 20 20 chapter, I think. I already. Oh, I still not doing this, the 21, but the 20, I don't do it yet, but yeah, it's already 19% has been completed. Oh, my mistake. Yeah. So, this video gonna be in useless tutorial, programming tutorial maybe, because yeah, I might be talking a lot about programming today. What have I done recent weeks? Yeah, kind of soggy. Yeah, I'm. It's not like I'm actually in mood for making videos, but I'm waiting um for my French fries to be cooked. It's around 25 minutes, so why I'm decide. And also I getting bored with learning. So I found out it is a good idea to take a break and maybe do some video. Uh, so it might be making my life is more productive. So yeah, I have tried using GitHub Copilot. Yeah, I should open it. Yeah. Uh, I'm trying to make something that outside of my learning. Uh, I'm imagining things. What if I want to do something? Let's say I want to to manipulate data using two pages, which is index and dashboard HTML. What if a user can update uh, any content of not any some content of index.html by using only dashboard.html. So I found out that you can use local storage. Uh, yeah, basically you just query everything from the dashboard, and also you can use local storage dot set item method. The data will be kept in the browser storage. So if you open that in another browser, or maybe you clear the history, there is no data at all. Let me show you. Okay, let's say I'm using this in Firefox. Yeah, the data will be zero because yeah, I think we should learn another thing. But I think if I'm touching another thing which I go far ahead, I might have trouble to understand it. So I'm taking it slow. So basically a local storage set item is a method to to s- to take a data, take a value from HTML, which is yeah, basically user will input the data here, right? So yeah, it is for the other thing. Let's say you want to cache up the value, you just basically set a new variable, document dot get element by ID. This is basically generated by this, but I try to make it myself. So I try to call it by class. I'm using class. It is the same thing. New price. Let's say this is I make it by myself, so I want to update the price. So yeah, I'm setting a new variable for the price and also price input 0. The reason why there is an array for price input is because when you query by class name, it's kind of it have a node list. I'm really not understand this part, but it's kind of have an array, even even though yeah, even though I'm not actually make an array for that class value. Maybe someone could explain it better why we must use an array for get by class name. And also I'm putting a console.log because I want to check is the price update or not. For me, it's kind of good method, yeah, if you want to check your function work or not by putting console in it. And also, yeah, a local storage dot set item and uh, yeah, you just call out the dashboard price. Wait, yeah, you just call the class name, which is dashboard price. Here dashboard price. Let me check it in HTML dash. Wait, what? Where is this dashboard price? Oh, basically you are setting for the first value in this local storage dot set item is you setting the name, kind of data name, and also the value that you will be put in, that you want to be called in the dashboard price uh, data set. Maybe I don't really know what we call it um, in programming terms, but yeah. And also, when you want to load that data, you need to use window.onload. This is also I'm using uh, what I'm using GitHub Copilot to help me this. But I understand that you must use this and also implement a function, which is when the when the yeah, basically this window dot onload is just want to call the data that's saved in the browser, and yeah, we make an if else function, and yeah, and then we update the text content here. So basically you can update anything, so let's say you want to update the title, uh, 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 kitchen, let's say kitchen utensils, and also you can update the description. This is just a spatula, and yeah, if you want to update the title, you need to update the title, and if you want to update the description, just click update the description. Actually, the UI is pretty bad. Uh, I'm too lazy to adjust it. But yeah, you get the point. Right? So in the HTML, there will be some new updated. Yeah, kitchen utensils, and this is spatula. Price, you also can update price. So this is. this price section, I make it by myself. So let's say we want to put the price maybe around 23 something. Yeah, it's kind of, I think it will, yeah, 0.23. Yeah, but the total is fine. Maybe I need to make some adjustment to remove that zero, but it can be done later. Yeah. So basically, if you want to call that in, this is my main.js link with index.html. It's kind of simple. You just onload and yeah, you just update the text content. It is easy. And also you need to update the price variable. So right now I'm setting the price equal to 100. But here right now I'm uh, making the price equal to save price, and yeah, I call it by the class name. The reason why I'm using a class name because I don't really know why. Because maybe it's kind of challenge myself to use another method. uh, so yeah, I really get used to by get element by ID. So why not I'm try a different way. Maybe it can have some limitation, but I so far I don't see any problem at all using a class name. Uh, yeah. So basically, it is easy. It is not as hard as I think to make the dashboard, but it might be hard if using a database maybe. Yeah, I watched some YouTube videos. Uh, Most of them using some database to call the data, right? So yeah. So I think that's all. I might continue my uh, my free code camp class after I'm having my French fries. Yeah, because uh, it is not that bad, but yeah, it is pretty boring in this class. Right now, I'm learning about using .map method. Uh, yeah, it is a good method, but uh, yeah, I don't really understand that well why you need to use this method, when you should use it. Uh, yeah, maybe it's kind of mapping this array, maybe. Yeah, yeah, we just see what happened next. I will not type any code in today's video because yeah, I'm not really talking that much when I'm code. Yeah, yeah. Actually, make a video in the morning, kind of. There is no hype, I think. Yeah, I kind of slow. I don't really know why. Yeah, maybe, maybe I don't, I don't really know. I wake up at 6 a.m. Yeah, I already have my breakfast, but yeah, it's pretty sluggish for me. It's not kind of weak. I'm actually not actually weak, but yeah, it's kind of not brain fog also. I don't know, but I really like do, let's say if I'm cooking or maybe walking or take a walk or go to the mall. It's kind of better than sitting. But if I'm doing coding also, it is also good, but sometimes is I'm getting bored, so I might take a walk, maybe do something, maybe just go cook, something like that. So this video is already 15 minutes. It is already approached my. I think I want to make my video shorter. Yeah, because I don't have a lot of topic to talk today. Yeah, so I think maybe that's all. Yeah, my outro again. If you like my voice and if you find out that my voice is sexier, just hit and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Uh, yeah, I think there is two people that watch my video, but they just watch it at the first minutes. uh, my previous video. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. At least I try to do the video. Yeah, I think that's all. Bye.